Good afternoon, ASMPH class of 2025. I am Father Bobby Yap, the new president of Ateneo de Manila. I am very happy to greet you as you conclude SICLAB, the ASMPH ORSEM for incoming freshmen, which because of the pandemic has been conducted online. In spite the online platform, I hope you still found your ORSEM worthwhile and enjoyable. I hope that you were able to connect meaningfully with your classmates even virtually. Allow me to repeat what I said for your transition module. School year 2020 is the opportunity for ASMPH to take the leap to personalize learning and deepen agency and metacognitive skills in our students. Agency is defined as the capacity and propensity to take purposeful initiative, the opposite of helplessness. Agency empowers students to own their learning goals rather than be passive recipients of instruction. And metacognitive skills such as goal setting, staying focused, pushing beyond one's comfort zones, and having one's own standards of excellence would provide them the resources to exercise agency that leads to self efficacy and independence. This is so important, so please allow me to repeat. AS/MPH students need to strengthen agency and metacognitive skills. Dear Year 5 Class of 2020, truly become self-directed students and not docile receivers of instruction. Manage well your time for online learning, which will be both synchronous and asynchronous. Practice self-discipline, especially because you will be studying off-site and you will have to set healthy boundaries between studying and the other important activities in your life. Practice self-care with a good rhythm of life consisting of study, rest, proper nutrition, exercise, recreation, and relationships. As a new president, I have had my own orientation on the plans of ASMPH, and I was really excited and impressed with what I learned. Ateneo Blue Cloud, Simulation Laboratory, Laboratory Technology System, Community Enhanced Internship Program, ASMPH Library 4.0, ASMPH Center for Research and Innovation, Biosafety and Biosecurity Training Program. ASMPH is definitely in the forefront of innovation and of quality online medical education. I hope that you share my excitement and enthusiasm and that you feel affirmed that you have chosen the best school for your medical education. This year's ORSEM theme is SICLAB, meaning to spark with a bright flame. The ORSEM's goal was to welcome batch 2025 with hope and to remind them the importance of impacting change no matter how small it may be. Their individual sparks can become a bright flame even in the midst of these difficult and uncertain times. If there is one thing made so clear by the pandemic, it is the importance of healthcare professionals and medical frontliners. Your vocation as physicians is a noble one, which is really needed for the common good. Pope Francis, in his Easter Sunday message, said, "May Jesus, our Passover, grant strength and hope to doctors and nurses who everywhere offer a witness of care and love for our neighbors to the point of exhaustion and not infrequently at the expense of their own health." My prayer is that during your years at ASMPH, you will discover that you are called to be doctors for others, and you may appreciate how beautiful the vocation to which God calls you. Your individual efforts at diligent study, striving for academic excellence, developing competence, deepening compassion may be small sparks, but these sparks will become siklab, a bright flame as you endeavor to become men and women for others, doctors for others, physicians for others, competent and compassionate. May God bless you as you begin the new ASMPH school year. Keep safe, one big fight